What's going on YouTube? Brad here with BreaksForFun. Gonna get into our one box elite. We're gonna get to our randoms real quick. Let me turn over to the computer here. Let me get my guys that are live over here on it. So here's a list of everybody's names. It's a 2-for-1, so you got your names in there quite a few times. Oops, I just moved you guys live, but I'll show you guys in a second. So, and I usually randomize 4 times here, just because that's my wife's lucky number, and sometimes you gotta do what she says. So, random once. Got Ryan F on the top. Down to Foo on the bottom. Random twice. Got Foo on the top. To Shane on the bottom. Number 3. David on the top. Jared on the bottom. And 4th and final time will be our order. Good luck. David G on the top. And David G on the bottom. A David G sandwich. And there's everybody's teams minus Chicago and Cleveland. Randomize this one 4 times. There's number 1, Arizona. Down to Detroit. Oh, David's probably stop. Number 2, Tampa Bay. Jacksonville. And he's probably stop again, Denard. Number 3, KC. Down to Baltimore. And 4th and final time. Good luck. Buffalo Bills at the top. And the Minnesota Vikings down at the bottom. So now let me copy and paste this. Oh crap, that's why I can't do it on this computer. I don't have a spreadsheet on this one. Stupid. So I'm gonna have to go back and forth with team names, I guess. I haven't downloaded my spreadsheets onto my new computer yet. So we got David, and then Ryan F has got the next 3 teams. Guys, write your team names down because I messed up and did my randoms on this one without my spreadsheet. So David G, and then Ryan, and that's Buffalo for David. Ryan's got Tennessee, Arizona, and Houston. Number 5 is David G with the Raiders. Number 6 is Cody M with St. Louis. Number 7 is Kansas City. And that goes to Greg B. Kansas City, Greg B. Foo, you have the next 2, numbers 8 and 9. Dallas Cowboys, Detroit Lions. Number 10 is Greg H. He's got the Miami Dolphins. Number 11 is Greg B. with the Atlanta Falcons. Number 12, Jared H. with Tampa Bay. Number 12 there. Number 13, Green Bay, goes to Shane H. Number 14 is Jared H., San Diego Chargers. Number 15, Ryan F. with the Philadelphia Eagles, little Matt Barkley. 16 is Jared H. with the Carolina Panthers. 17, 18, and 19, all Greg H. Seattle, San Francisco, and Cincinnati. So Greg H. with Seattle, San Francisco, and Cincinnati. Number 20, Shane, Washington Redskins. Number 21, Foo with the Indianapolis Colts. Number 22 is the Saints. That's also Foo. 23 is Jared. with the Pittsburgh Steelers. 24, Cody M. with the Baltimore Ravens. 25 is Jacksonville, and that goes to David G. 26 is Cody, New England Patriots. 27 is Jared H. 28 is Jared H. And that's the New York Giants, Denver Broncos. And 29, Cody M. with the Jets. And number 30, David G. with the Vikings. So sorry that was a little more difficult than usual. I forgot that I didn't have my my spreadsheets on this computer yet. I'll do that after tonight. So we're going to cut away YouTube. We're going to do some trading, and then we'll get back at you.